Oh. Swing 360. Swing 360. Oh, Ginger. Overbar.
Nag-build up pa lang yung music, pero hype na siya.
Yun.
Let's go!
With a shadow. Ganda ng 360.
Pag-uyasin lang ulam! Let's go!
Very smooth.
Natoya sa
Straddle planche again.
push!
Let's go.
Hey! Hey!
Walang paan natin. Ayan na naman. Grabe yung
30
last.
seconds.
Come on. Looking at the judges. Easy.
20 seconds.
Bar gainer. Underhand grip. Grabe.
20 seconds.
Setting up back lever. One arm back lever. Kilos. Next switch na front lever. Grabe yung front. Let's go. Other side front. One hand front lever.
4, 3,
Pinul over
2,
front.
1.
Okay. Let's go. Shut up. Hook with a leg.
This is one round only.
Underhand back lever. And hit a
One
peso
round
ulit.
only.
Balik na naman. Sa peso ulit. Ginawang repetition. Ayan na. Hello Carlos Yulo. May iron cross din po kami.
Mas kaya mo ba ba?
Hold. One. Grabe. Two. Nirex lang namin yan.
30 seconds.
Three. Iron cross. Four. Grabe, hinold. Guys, magpa-MRI kayo. Wala yan
20
tayong ligaments.
seconds.
Saddle, front lever, Nirex back. Back lever again.
10, 9,
Flash, back lever,
5, 4,
front lever, saddle again.
down.
No problem. Let's go, set up. 360, high set up. Muscle up, keep up. Full planche. Inayos yung full planche. Ginawa proper form, hinold. Grabe yun. Wide grip underhand. Oh, grabe. Wide grip planche na yun. Front lever full. Let's go. Back lever naman. No problem. Proper form, hinold. Yun ang static. Let's go with the parallel. Set up
20 seconds.
Spot. Wide grip planche. Grabe. Grabe ang hold na yan.
10 seconds.
Oh, ligaments. Umiiyak na mga ligaments.
4, 3,
2, and full planche. Grabe ang lininis ng mga statics. Pinulap yung front lever. Pull over. Front lever again. Pinulap ulit. Nag-muscle up. 3 fingers. Wide grip planche for you, everyone. Let's go front lever again with a close grip. Hinga. Give everything. Oh, human flag. Set up. Grabe. Nirex pa yung human flag. Nag-clutch flag. Let's go clutch flag. Oops, nag-slide. Grabe. May breaks pa. All set to plan. Ready for another trick. Front lever again.
5,
Parallel
4,
bars.
3, 2,
And down. Alright. We grab.
let's go with Nasser.
360. Muscle up. Ready for planche. Wide grip. Grabe. Nirex pa. Pinush up yung plan. Let's go. Close grip front lever. Alright. Parallel bars naman. Planche ulit. Pinres. Pinhandstand. Binalik. Pinlaunch ulit. Pinansan na naman. Grabe mga statics.
20 seconds.
Reload ulit yung plunge. Pinush up na naman. Grabe yung plunge ngayon ha. Basic na lang ha.
15 seconds.
Decent. Let's go bro. All out. Tandaan nyo. One round lang everyone. Ayan na yung parallels.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Grabe yun. Wide grip.
2, 1. Let's go.
Muscle up. Straddle planche. With a push up. Full planche. Typewriter full planche. Re-grab switch. 360. 360 again. Keep up. Pull over. Wide grip. 3 fingers. Planche up. 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 Okay lang. Front lever. One arm front lever. Umikot. Let's go. Ayan na, nagsiset up na.
20 seconds.
Let's go for pesto. Ito, full range of motion. Binalik, bumalik, re-grip,
10
right
seconds.
pull over. Ayan na. Yung parallels. Ano kaya gagawin niya?
3, 2, 1.
Alright. Wide planche. Okay,